Hello, children! Welcome to my class. In today's lesson, we are going to do the Check Your Progress activities that you can find in pages 76 and 77. Exercise number 1. Circle true or false. The sun is the center of the solar system. True or false? True. The sun moves around the planets. True or false? False. The sun gives rock and water to the planets. True or false? False. The sun gives light and heat to the planets. True or false? True. El Sol es el centro del sistema solar. ¿Verdadero? El Sol se mueve alrededor de los planetas. Falso, porque son los planetas los que se mueven alrededor del Sol. El Sol da roca y agua a los planetas. Falso, porque el Sol lo que nos da es luz y calor. Exercise number 2. Label the planets of the solar system. We have to write the names of the planets. This is the Sun. Remember, the Sun is not a planet. The Sun is a star. This is Mercury. It is the smallest planet in the solar system and is the closest to the Sun. Venus. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. Earth is the planet where we live. Mars. They call it the red planet. Jupiter. It is the biggest planet in the solar system. Saturn. It has got rings made of ice and dust. Uranus. Its atmosphere is full of methane gas. And Neptune. It is the farthest planet from the Sun and also the coldest. Exercise number 3. Write the number. A year has 365 days. A season has 3 months. The moon takes 28 days to move around the earth. A day has 24 hours. Un año tiene 365 días. Una estación tiene 3 meses. La luna tarda 28 días en moverse alrededor de la Tierra, en el movimiento de traslación que hace la luna. Y un día tiene 24 horas. Exercise number 4. Label. This is a vocabulary exercise. We have to label the words revolution and rotation. Remember that the Earth can make 2 different movements. In one of them, the Earth revolves around the Sun for 365 days. That is 1 year. And in the other movement, the Earth rotates around its own axis. This is the axis of the Earth. And it takes 24 hours for 1 complete rotation. That is 1 day. After all of this, which one is the revolution and which one is the rotation? This is the revolution and this is the rotation. Recordad que en el movimiento de traslación la Tierra tarda 365 días en dar una vuelta completa alrededor del Sol, o sea, un año. Y que en el movimiento de rotación la Tierra tarda 24 horas en dar un giro completo sobre su propio eje, o sea, un día. Recordad también que el movimiento de traslación da lugar a las 4 estaciones: primavera, verano, otoño e invierno. Y gracias al movimiento de rotación tenemos el día y la noche. And what we have been revising in the previous exercise can be of a lot of help to do this exercise number 5, although there is one mistake here because it says circle the faces of the moon. I don't know what appears in your student's book, but in my teacher's book this is what appears, and this is obviously one mistake, so just forget about it. Decía que lo que hemos repasado en el ejercicio anterior puede ser de mucha ayuda para resolver este esquema que tenemos aquí por delante. Sin embargo, el enunciado no corresponde con el ejercicio en sí. No sé lo que aparecerá en los libros de los estudiantes, pero lo que es el mío, en el libro del profesor, aparece esto. Y lo que pone es rodea las fases de la luna. Obviamente, esto no tiene nada que ver con las fases de la luna. Earth movements son los movimientos que hace la Tierra, los movimientos de la Tierra. So the Earth has two movements, the revolution and the rotation. Thanks to the rotation, we have the day and the night. We can divide the day in 3 different parts. Do you remember? Sunrise, midday, and you remember the last one? Sunset. Podemos dividir el día en 3 partes. La salida del sol, mediodía y la puesta de sol. And thanks to the revolution, we have the seasons. And do you remember the names of the seasons we have just talked about? The first one is spring. The second is summer. Then we have autumn. And the last one is winter. And to finish today's lesson, we are going to do this interactive activity. Our solar system. This is a drag and drop activity. Es una actividad de arrastrar y soltar. In the universe, there are many stars, planets, and satellites. They make groups called systems. En el universo hay muchas estrellas, planetas y satélites. Forman grupos llamados sistemas. We live in the solar system. Vivimos en el sistema solar. The sun is at the center of the solar system. El sol está en el centro del sistema solar. The sun gives light and heat to the planets. El sol da luz y calor a los planetas. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Hay 8 planetas en el sistema solar. The planets move around the sun in an orbit. Los planetas se mueven alrededor del sol en una órbita. And satellites move around the planets. Los satélites se mueven alrededor de los planetas. And that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next lesson. Bye.